And as people are trailing in, let me introduce you to Binayfer. Gauri and Shashank, we have a beautiful person over here who does Kaudi reading for us. She does reading for us with the shells. And she does that for all my speakers. And she's been with us for the last 2 months, regularly doing this. Unfortunately, we haven't even counted her session as even one session. So Binayfer, thank you so much for being there. And what I'm going to do is start putting your photograph back again, because I realized the minute I took your photograph off, you've actually gone into hiding. Did you realize? Yes.
No, Anu.
Yeah, I mean, you know, I am not putting my photograph there. So I thought like, that's just put the speakers, but I need to give you credit for what you've been doing. And I promise you in the next 2 days, it will be up there.
Please.
Yeah. So introducing to you Binayfer right now. And Binayfer, if you can do cards for Gauri and Shashank. They both beautifully connected with each other for many, many years as husband and wife. So as ladies go first, let's go with Gauri and her Kaudis. Gauri, do you have any questions?
What is the future?
Okay. So Gauri, hello.
We can't see your face, sir. Binayfer?
Yeah. Anu, there's a lot of network issues today.
Okay.
So I'm continuously dropping from calls.
No problem. Go ahead.
So Gauri, for you, I'm getting there is a lot of abundance waiting to come in your way, but somewhere because of either perceived notions of people wishing you ill are blocking that from coming to you. So just let go of all your inhibitions that okay, this person could have done like, you know, maybe sometimes we feel that somebody's put nazar on us, or they might be thinking this of us or thinking that of us, and because of that I am not getting this what is due to me, whatever credit is due to me. So just keep yourself protected with whatever chants you're doing, with whatever mantras you feel comfortable with, and once you do that, nothing can stop your progress, nothing can stop your growth, because it's all in our mind. Nobody can harm us if we don't let them. With whatever chants you're doing, with whatever mantras you feel.
Okay. Yeah. Wonderful. Wonderful. And what about Shashank for him?
Yeah.
Do I have to ask questions?
No, if you don't want to, that's okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Okay. So Shashank, for you, I have got, again, you need a lot of protection, because somewhere you're feeling that you have everything that you've asked for, but still there is something missing. So in that search for something missing, don't ignore what you have. So build on that and everything is going to open up, because right now you're feeling blocked, maybe emotionally or mentally. Somewhere you're feeling that, okay, things are not moving for me as I want them to move. But don't worry, it will. You just need to keep yourself protected. You need to allow money to flow. So where there is an inflow, there should be a slight outflow and things will get balanced. Thank you.
Thank you.
Lovely. Thank you.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
Can we have reading for Teji Sethi?
Sure.
Thank you, Anu. I didn't ask. Thank you so much.
You're most welcome.
Thank you, Binayfer.
Most welcome. So Teji, for you, I'm getting you are a very happy person, but you need to feel that happiness from within. So let that happiness flow from within. There is a spiritual journey waiting for you. So open up to your spirituality, open up to the person who you really are. You, like, all of us are so wonderful from within. Somewhere we have just forgotten our identity, somewhere we forget to smile, we forget to laugh, and it is so difficult to laugh. That is why people have laughter clubs. But if we can just laugh with our family, wouldn't that be better? Because those vibrations would be at home and it would create so much more joy and abundance in our life. But we are just missing that point. We don't need to go to a laughter club. We just need to spend time with our family and relive the old memories, create new memories, and just laugh so that we feel that happiness within actually shining bright. So please do that. And there is spiritual movement for you, which I'm getting. So please accept that with open arms. Do whatever chants that you're doing, continue with that, increase that whatever you're doing, and things will start flowing into more and more abundance. If you're feeling slight blocks at home, some discord with any family member, that also will move out once you start doing these processes. Thank you.
Wonderful.
Binaifar, it is 200% correct.
Thank
I'm
you.
already on that journey. Thank you so much.
Most welcome. Most
Wonderful.
welcome.
Let's go with the next person. I just feel that more people need reading today. Let's
Sure.
go with Dr. Nivedita. And since we just heard that Thane might go into more stringent lockdown from tomorrow, so let's just read for her. She's a
Sure.
night surgeon. Let's see how what holds for her.
Dr. Nivedita, any questions?
Neve, any questions? Okay, just go ahead and read for her.
Okay. Okay, Dr. Nivedita, for you, I'm getting intuitively you're going to move towards a spiritual journey. It's not that you're not doing your bit, you are, but somehow there is going to be a shift in your life right now, more towards spirituality, more towards going inward, inner journey. And if you're doing any chanting, then please continue to do that, because that is going to take you into a complete different direction. I'm not saying that you're going to leave your profession, but with that, you're going to do something very beautiful, and it's going to be a beautiful journey. So enjoy that. Thank you.
Wonderful. Let's do reading for Kiran Gupta.
Sure.
Thank you.
Hi. Any questions?
Any question, Kiran?
Yeah, thank you, Anu. I'm really so happy about it because the last time on my session I had missed out on Binaifar. Binaifar, yeah, I think something went wrong and I
With my
was just
net.
waiting and I'm so lucky. And actually, Binaifar, it was unexpected. And I just thought that Anu should ask about me, and there, bingo, it's done. I think three of us work together, Binaifar, Anu, and me. Whenever you could just tell me that what does the future hold in store for me, because I'm at a crossroad.
Okay.
I want to remarry, so could you please tell me?
Sure.
Wonderful. That's direct and that's precise then.
That's crisp and clear, exactly.
Yes. Thank you.
Should she be remarried?
Yeah, I want to.
Wonderful.
Okay, so what I'm getting for you is there are still a few karmic blocks as far as your marriage is concerned, and you
Okay.
just need to release that, because you are just like 2 blocks away from marriage. It's not very
Wow.
far.
Really?
Yeah, it is there, but your blocks, one is asking people for help. I mean, I know actually I'm feeling so proud of for doing a reading for you today, because I know the work you do. So
Thank you. No, no, actually,
I,
I can say everybody is so good at their work. I will not tell, oh, I'm the best or something. No, no. Each one is doing, and I have been observing you since a long time. And each time I hear the clinking sound of the cowries, I said, why not me?
thank you. So
Sweet.
there is a lot of abundance there. What I mean is abundance in your for your marriage.
Okay.
So please just work on yourself, because I am seeing a marriage for you. But like I said, it's just still 2 blocks away. You need to do a lot of karmic clearing for that. Maybe some patterns that you need to break. One being asking for help. Now, either that help is asking for your spiritual help from your spiritual masters, or actually asking people. Like some of us don't like
People.
to share our
No, no,
load
no. It's not
also.
from people. No, no.
Okay.
It's not from people. It could be through prayers,
Yeah.
through
Please
God
do that.
Almighty.
Yes. So do that. You need to do some rituals to just cleanse that pattern, and it's there
Okay.
for sure.
Do you
Wonderful. I
think
still
that there
feel that
are
2 more people
some
need.
blocks? It involves some people who are trying to hold me back from doing it, because not everybody is happy that I get married
That's
again.
possible. Yes, that's possible.
So the two which you said that yes, I have already shortlisted them. I think I'll have to
Okay.
just slip away, hard away, and I'll have to get it done. Thank you so much.
Most
It is a
welcome.
real
Most
pleasure
welcome.
and a very big honor for me.
Thank
And
you.
thank
Thank
you, Anu.
you. Thank you so much.
Wonderful. Let's go to the next person, and the next person is Archana Kumar. I want you to do reading, and Archana, I really missed you.
Thank you, Anu.
How are
Just
you
been
feeling,
really
Archana, now?
busy.
How are you feeling?
I'm good. I'm good. Thank you. Thanks for
Recovered completely? She came down with corona
yeah.
herself.
Very good. She's a fighter lady.
Thank
Yes.
you.
Archana, any questions?
No, thanks. Anything.
Okay.
Universe speaking.
Okay. So, Dr. Archana, for you, I have got a lovely journey starting towards a lot of love and binding in the family.
Thank you.
So relationships are going to be renewed, and people are going to start bonding better.
Thank you.
And to make it even stronger, you should do some protection for yourself, some chanting, some mantras, maybe just play something in the background while you're working, or during the day, so that the energies always remain in the high vibrational stage. Do that. And I am getting that you again need to be a little more joyful from within. I mean, you are a happy person, but are you really happy from inside? Can you like really laugh like crazy? It's tough.
No. Exact at this moment, I'm just going through a small patch. But otherwise, yes.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm talking about now. I am talking about now.
Exactly. No, you got it.
Yeah.
Absolutely right.
So that is there, and there is a small block right now in the money area, but which is going to open up. So you just release. The best way to release that, what I'm getting, is be yourself. Just be happy
Okay.
from within, that whatever it is, I'm going to be happy. And that
Okay.
happiness is going to change your energies, your frequencies, to let that money, to let that abundance come into your life, which is due to you.
Oh, perfect. Thank you,
Thank you.
Vinayaka.
Thank you.
Thank you, Anu.
Perfect. Let's do last one person's reading and then the whole group.
Yeah.
So the last person I feel requires reading is, I'm jumping between Varsha and Sabita. Let's start with Varsha first, and let me see how it feels.
Okay. Varsha, any questions? Varsha, any question?
No questions.
Okay.
Wonderful.
Okay, so Varsha, for you, I have got that you need to do a lot of karmic cleansing. You need to actually clean and heal yourself, energize yourself, and try to just completely renew your energies because you might be feeling blocked in a lot of ways. So please do ask for help. If you are a healer or a therapist yourself, even then, right now, it may be a little tough for you to do self healing because of if you're going through an emotionally tough time, please do take professional help, and that will really clear up a lot of things. But if you don't want to do that still, then just do a lot of self cleansing, maybe just sage your whole house out, or use kapoor or dhoop or whatever, and sit and meditate with a flame in front of you and just clear up a lot of stuff which is not required. And that is the only thing that's going to get you out of this situation. I'm seeing that you're feeling quite a lot of blocks right now. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And
Thank
if we
you.
have a reading for the whole group before
Yeah.
we go to our first speaker. Thank you.
Okay, so for the whole group, again, I'm getting that everyone is slightly out of focus, out of balance. And to get back into balance, to get back into what our real element is, we need to just focus on what we have at hand and just accept what is happening around us. We need to be able to adjust with our family because right now there is no choice, and keep the communication lines open. Be open and voice whatever you're going through because that is the only way to solve any problem. Even if it's family, if you're feeling that, oh God, now I can't tolerate this person's face anymore, right now there is honestly no choice. So be vocal about it. Not obviously telling them that I can't tolerate your face, but what it is that you can't tolerate about the person and how you can amicably come to a solution, because it needs a lot of fluidity is required right now throughout the group. A lot of inner movement, a lot of outer movement, connecting people. So do that and keep yourselves replenished with a lot of water. Keep yourselves hydrated because that also really helps. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Binaifa. I'm really
Thank you.
gratitude.
Thank
And
you, Ram.
we'll see you again. And if you can stay back, that would be lovely for as long as you can.
Yes, I'll try. Thank you.